How to create an album on Line app. Let's get started with the video. To begin with, open the Line app on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Then tap on the chats icon located at the bottom center of the screen. After that, open the chat where you want to create the album. Next, tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of the chat screen. If it's your first time creating an album in this chat, you will see the option to create album. Click on it to proceed. Now select the photo you would like to include by tapping on them from your device gallery. Once you have selected the photos, hit next at the bottom. At this point, you will be asked to name your album. Enter something descriptive and fun. Finally, hit create at the top right corner. And your album will be created. That's it. This is how to create an album on Line app.